got one of my favourites is he's got a £90. I had loads of them fatalities and every single one I've had's fucked up. It's enemy tank, innit? You know what I mean? Rich.
Got an enemy right in front of you.
Shit, there's a tank there. Towards Slippery. So go.
User
oh,
joined your
fuck
channel.
off. Oh, they're camping at the bomb site. I reckon we need to go to the bomb site and clear the fucking bomb site.
Drove right into a tank, we didn't know it was there, like. Oh.
Go up.
Oh, nice one, Slippery C4, it. Fucking nice.
West of your location. East of your position. I've seen an enemy sniper. Be advised, the new bomb has been located.
Get to the bomb, because then you'll be like, oh fuck,
The
we're all
tank
this
drivers
way.
are complete, it's Battlefield ET-89. If we can plant this, it'll be a scream. How the fuck are we going to plant it? What are we going to do? Jump on top of the tank?
No idea, I'm on the back of the thing with you, Rich.
They're ready to...
I'm gonna headshot you in a pistol in a minute, just because I can.
He's gone the wrong
Where
side!
did your vehicle go? Vehicle?
Heads up. I've spotted a hostile sniper due south of your location.
I can't... Tank drivers have just stood there, I'm trying to plant it and they just stood there. I was like... Fuck's sake.
We can't plant the bomb.
Hostile UAV spotted. Take it down.
Poke 'em.
Just move on to the next map.
Take control.
Everybody will still get the points.
Yeah.
They really need to fix this fucking water as well when you're...
When I
servers
connected
have
it,
been
told me to
updated.
tell the server admin. Yeah.
Our network just got hacked.
Hey, Bob.
I was going to ask him what about it.
Stu.
Yeah. Freaking meta bans now enabled. That's made my life.
You have to use Procon. Archon's gone, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't mind Procon, it's alright. I know what I'm doing with it.
Yeah, but it's not something that can be run on the server rather than on your client.
Well, can you put a fruit pastel in your mouth without chewing it?
That is the ultimate test, isn't it? God damn, I'm playing like a proper guanab.
Is that a word you just invented?
No, it's that.
Well done.
I'm just starting to hear the music then, the end game music.
Fucking hilarious.
Yeah, they're dropping
Just said I got guys. Hey, I thought you said that.
Police Special Operations Executives if you have a good deal.
Right.
Done tonight, haven't you?
Hello mate, you alright?
Alright, single.
Mate.